Hi everyone, myself Maitre Yogesh, Assistant Professor working in Kekwa College of Horticulture Nasi. Today I am going to be presenting on the Introductory Agroforestry course, or in this course have the first content is the objective of agroforestry. First objective of this agroforestry is to manage land efficiently so that the productivity is increased and restored, and to use the available resources efficiently and economically. Means the farmers have the available the different resources they should manage efficiently and economically to generate employment opportunity for the rural people. Means to help of the agroforestry systems or the uses of the different system, just like horticulture, agri-silviculture. Is these systems mainly used to create the employment opportunity for the rural peoples. The next one is to provide the raw material for small cottage industry in rural areas. Means the in rural area they have the different artisans. They made the different handcraft materials. So this raw material should be available or the provided by these agroforestry systems for their increase their the earning sources, the other earning sources. The next one is to raise the supply of fuel in the rural areas to convenient distance for the consumer. Means the in rural areas mainly the wood is mainly used for the as the purpose of the fuel. So is the mainly the people mainly depend upon the forest for the wood for the fuel purpose. So it reduces the pressure of a forest for to controlling for the growing of the agroforest. In India, 70 million tons of dried cow dung is used for every year, which can be diverted to natural organic fertilizers to undo the pressure on the forest. Means this cow dung is mainly used, cow dung cake is mainly used for the fuel purpose. On this agroforestry plantation is maybe reduces the uh, use of cow dung cake as per the fuel. Then next one is the agroforestry aim to raise the supply of a small timber by the villages for their farmers needs, because farmers needs, for example, agriculture implements, house construction and other domestic purpose. In this way, the agroforestry can meet the requirement of the rural population and reduce the pressure on the forest. Means the farmer have the different agriculture implements. This agriculture implement mainly the wood implements. So the farmers needs the timber in every years. So the agroforestry plantation is provided to the requirements of farmers. Then main objective of this agroforestry is to raise the production of food crops, legumes and tubers to meet the rapidly growing food requirement of the Indian populations. Means some of the not only the agricultural crop fulfill the requirement, but in forest crops or the horticulture crop is also required to fulfill the needs of food needs of Indian populations. So is agroforestry is a very important for the farmers and the Indian peoples. Then the promoting the production of vegetable, pulses, milk and meat. They this increases the side by side forest plantation along with the vegetables and pulses, milk and meat purpose, because the to raise the nutritional value of foods which is urgently required for mankind of our country. In average, Indian gets 2,000 calories when it requires 3,000 calories required per day. So this calorie gap is uh, controlled in for the due to the agroforestry plantation. So the increases the overall agriculture growth. Then agroforestry program help to obtain the ecological balance in rural areas. Thus, it may be considered matter the great significance of a country like India. Then preservation of humidity is cultivable lands, because humidity is more important for the precipitations, and then to check the soil erosions. In agroforestry, mainly the forest plantation, mainly the boundaries of the agriculture crops. So the it reduces the soil erosions or the to control it. Agroforestry plant mainly used as a shelter belt of the windbreaks. So it is very important for plantation of the agriculture crops. and then they increases the productivity of land. In drought-prone areas, agroforestry reduces the insecurity of the agriculture in dual systems of the production of the tree and the grasses, and the stability of the productivity of land. The supply of fodder for vast populations of livestock. The agroforestry is another main objective is the supply of the fodder crops. For example, eucalyptus trees is mainly used for not eucalyptus, subabuls or the babuls, khair, like that trees mainly used for the fodder purpose for the goat or the sheep farmings. For the proper feeding of livestock to increase the milk productions and to supply the increasing populations. And also supply the meat supply for the proper nutrition of the Indian people and to reduces the calorie gap in 2000 around 3000 requirement per day.